Hi everyone, my name is Simran Gupta, and first of all, I welcome you all and thank you for participating in this workshop. So, today I am here to discuss with you how to get started with Kaggle. In this, we will discuss what is Kaggle, how to access code from Kaggle, and how to join the Kaggle competitions. So, we will discuss all these three things one by one. So let's start it with what is Kaggle. So basically, Kaggle is an online community platform for data scientists and for machine learners. Now the question arises: why we need Kaggle? Why we use it? So let's take an example. For example, you are working on any particular data science project, and for that project, you need some data sets. So, from where you can fetch that data sets? So, the answer is from the Kaggle platform, you can easily download those set data sets. So, you can simply go to the Kaggle platform, search for that particular data science project, and from there you can download the data sets. Inside Kaggle, you will find all the code and data you need to do your data science work. That's why we use Kaggle. Also, Kaggle use over 50,000 different public data sets and 4 lakh public notebooks to conquer any analysis in no time. We will talk about the notebook later on. Kaggle also allow users to collaborate with other users, find and publish dataset, use GPU integrated notebooks, and we can also compete with other data scientists to solve data science challenges. So basically, summing up all these things, we can say that Kaggle is a platform for data scientists and for machine learning enthusiasts so that uh, they can download dataset from there, they can compete with other dataset, and of course they will learn a lot from it. Kaggle also offers a variety of activities once you enter. So, not only theoretically, I'm also going to show you practically how the Kaggle platform looks like and how it provides the different activities. So to visit the Kaggle website, simply open your web browser. Let me just show you how. Here you can see, just type Kaggle and you will redirect it to this page. Just click on the first site www.kaggle.com and directly you will be redirected to the home page. Actually, those who are new to Kaggle website, the page looks like, I will show you. Okay, for new users, the page looks like this. So you first need to register on Kaggle website by your name and through your email ID. I had already registered on this website. So for me, the page looks like this with my name. Once you register on this website, your web page will also be look like it. So you can see on the left side, we have many menus. We will discuss about these menus one by one. So let's start with dataset. Okay, so this is the important section containing data sets. From here, you can access any type of data set you want for your data science project. There are lakhs of data sets available. As I scroll down and expand it from here, you can see there are different data sets available for different data science projects. Now I will show you how you can download the dataset. Suppose I select this online retail dataset. Once you click on it, just a minute. Yeah. Once you click on it, it shows all the details about the dataset, description, all these things, and about this file. And you are able to see this button, download button. Here you can click on download, then the downloading will be start, and the downloaded dataset will move to your download folder. So this is how you can download your dataset for your data science project. Now moving further uh, on the tab competitions. So this is the topic in which we are interested. So Kaggle provides a sub-platform, that is Kaggle competitions, where data scientists from all over the world compete. Many organizations put their work over here, and the winners rewarded by the cash prize money. So basically, Kaggle competition consists of data science tasks. Some competitions have prizes and some competitions do not have any prizes. Like I show you, just scroll down and expand it from here. So as you can see, some competitions have prizes and some are only for knowledge purpose. You are able to see some competitions are only for knowledge, and it do not have any prizes, but it only offering learning and knowledge sharing opportunities. And while others have generous cash prizes, you can participate in these competitions on your own or with your team. In addition to the prize money for good scores in the competitions, you win medals and points. These points and medals put you on a leaderboard along with other data scientists of all levels on the platform. So now I'm going to tell you how you can join the competition, how you are able to complete. All these things about the Kaggle competition we will discuss. So in detail, we will discuss how we can access Kaggle competition on the Kaggle platform and how we can read the details about the Kaggle competitions, how to access the data set of that competition, and after applying a skill on that particular data set, how we can submit back the results. And we can see our rankings from the rank board of that particular competition. So, uh, uh, you are able to see the list of active competitions. Just select any one of them. So I select GoDaddy. Yeah. Here you can see the name of the particular competition, GoDaddy Micro Business Density Forecasting. So here you can see the several tabs below the header, including overview, data, code, discussion, leaderboard, and rules. We will step through each tab individually. So first we will talk about overview. So when you first navigate to any competition page, you will be on the overview tab. This tab is good to read first and it can include important information like the details about this competition, and you can find the description here. The description tells and the description tells us what exactly the competition is, and here you can see the description of that particular project. Next, the evaluation. The evaluation tells, in evaluation, you can find the different criterias that they are using for evaluation purpose, as you can see. And it also shows timelines means it shows the important dates, like when the competition started, like as you can see, start date is 15th of December 2022, and the deadline for accepting the competition rule, as you can see, the entry deadline, team merger deadline, and final submission deadline. So timeline tab tells you this. And prizes tab. Prizes, the top winners will receive $20,000. Next, second, those who secured second rank, they will be rewarded with this prize. So these are the ranks. So these are the prizes. Sorry, these are the prizes. And who want to and who get to secure these ranks, they will be awarded by these prizes. So let's move to our next tab, that is data tab. Yeah. In data set, you can download the competition data. From the data set, you can download the competition data. You will also learn more about the data in more detail that was covered in the overview tab. If you click on a data tab, you will find all the details and the available files inside of this data. Scroll down, you will find this data explorer and the files associated with that particular competition. Here you can see the sample submission.csv file. This is the sample file which tells you in which format you have to submit your uh, file when you join the competition. So you can download it from here, or you can once download on clicking the download all button. This is a test.csv file and this is train.csv file. So from here we can download the available files and the data also. Moving to our next tab, that is code tab. You can use the code tab to view code that other Kagglers have written to analyze the competition data. As you can see, many people work on that particular competition. You are encouraged to use the code here to guide your own investigations. All the notebooks that appear here have been shared with the entire community in the hope that many people can learn from them. When viewing a notebook, you can use the copy and edit button to create your own private notebook. If you edit the code, you are editing your copy and it would not change the original notebook. In order to make the notebooks that you write appear in the code tab for rest of the community, you will need to change the notebook settings to make the notebook public. Whenever you find a notebook useful, you should thank the author by giving the notebook an upvote. You can also use the tab to write your own notebooks from here to work with the data through the new notebook button. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the new notebook page and you can create your own notebook from here. So, next, let's move to our next step, that is discussion tab. Now you will be on the discussion forum. So, what are all question on or topics getting discussed regarding this competition? So you can see here that this is the discussion tab, and people from different communities discuss here about the particular competition. Here you can chat with the entire Kaggle community by making a post in the discussion tab, or you can join a team or share insights with all your teammates, or you keep the information to yourself. You should specially avoid privately sharing information with only a small group of people who are not on a team with you. So, moving to our next step, that is, so I think we will understand what the discussion tab is. Like, some asks, can you guess your final score? Are people brute forcing, pretending 1 month or 3 months into the future? These are some of the discussions. Moving to our next step, that is leaderboard. Here you can see that pupils have already submitted according to the evaluation and got ranking in this on this leaderboard. Here is the ranking, and here it shows the scores. These are the entries, and these are the last dates. You will see the leaderboard to see where your submissions rank against other Kagglers. When you submit complete competition predictions, the website checks how close your predictions are to test sets true values according to the competition's metric. Okay. As you can see on the leaderboard tab, there are two other tabs, private and other is public. This is because only a subset of your predictions are used to assign a spot on the public leaderboard, and the rest are used to assign a spot on the private leaderboard. Which rows are used for which leaderboards are kept secret, and the private leaderboard is kept hidden from all competitors until after the competition concludes. The private leaderboards is a real leaderboard that is used to decide the final rankings, and it decides who receive competition prizes. Now moving to our next step, that is rules. So you can go through the rules and understand what are all protocols associated with this particular project. So here you can see the button that is join competition. So once you understood the details of the competition, you can click on the join competition and you can participate. So I'm just clicking on join competition, and here they are asking to accept the competition rules. So I'm clicking on I understand and accept. So once you accepted the rules, now you are a part of that competition. Now what you have to do, you can go to your data and you can download your data from here. You can download from files from you can download the available files from here. Census underscore starter.csv, sample underscore submission.csv. You can download this. You can download the sample underscore submission.csv file to show. This is the sample file which tells us the format in which format we have to do the submission. Once you downloaded your data set and applied your data science skills on that particular data and created the sample submission file, according to the sample data format which is provided in this tab, then upload your submission. Here you can see the submit predictions button. When you click on it, it will be redirected to this page. From here, you can click on browse files and you can select from any one of them. Just open and the file will be uploaded. Here you, if you want to comment, you can comment just like I comment demo. So this is how you can comment and then click on the submit button. Actually, currently I'm not having any submission file, so I'm not able to show you how you can. But this is the simple process. You can only browse, click on the browse files, and you can select it from your desktop and then submit it. After doing submission, it starts evaluating your work and it's showing your scores on the leaderboard. Here you can see your scores and you can see your rank. One thing I want to tell you, you can also join a team. I'm just showing you. Let me go back from here. So from here, from this list, I am again choosing this first and future player contact detection. Once I click on the join competition, and once you accept the rules, you will see a team tab. If you are competing alone, the team name will be your name and you will be the only team members. In other words, if you are working alone, Kaggle still refers to you as a team and you are a team of one person, like this. Showing my name because I'm alone competing in this project. To invite other members to merge with yours, you will need to get the other team's name. Okay, so anyone get their team name from the team tab on the competition page. To merge with another team, type the other team name into the merge tabs. I will show you. So as you scroll down here, you can type the other team name in this section and they send the invitations to them. You will be able to see your request under pending merge requests, and other team will also see your merge request other under team proposing a merge. So this is all about Kaggle competition. So you can see your submissions by clicking on this submission tab. Okay. This tab will show you all your submissions here. So I think Kaggle competitions are a great way to learn new techniques in data science. You can learn about new algorithms and approaches from other Kagglers by reading the post in the discussion tab. If you have any questions about the competition, feel you are feel free to post your own topic. You can also pursue code that other users have written in the code tab. To make your own code visible to others user, you will have to convert it from private to public. So in Kaggle, you can upload your data sets to Kaggle and download other data sets as well. The one thing which is very good about Kaggle that you can see others work also. You can see what others are doing on the particular project. Additionally, you can check others people data sets and notebooks and start discussions topics on them. All your activities is scored on the platform and your score increases as you help others and share useful informations. Once you start earning points, you will be placed in a live leaderboard of 8 million Kaggle users. In addition to the prize money for good scores in the competitions, you also win medals and points, and this ranking determines your global ranking in Kaggle. Here, um, just click on more. Here, you also see other options like progression, host a competition, support, community guidelines, teams, terms. And here you can see your work. So now we talk about Kaggle jobs. So back to the home page. In the search bar, just type Kaggle jobs. And here you can see discussions from others. Kaggle job board cone. Here are some resources for finding DS jobs. Finding jobs through participating in Kaggle. So through Kaggle competition, you also get good jobs. Kaggle Jobs is a data science job sharing platform opened by Kaggle in 2014. And the objective of this platform is to help companies find the most suitable candidates and to help data scientists find the right companies. And this platform was closed by Kaggle in 2022 due to insufficient activity. However, this section will provide you with some Kaggle jobs alternatives and other employment platforms. So I think that's all about the Kaggle and about the Kaggle competitions. So basically, it's a very huge platform for data science enthusiasts. You can participate here, you can download the data set, and you can do a lot for your data. One more thing is that on the left hand side from the menus, there is a tab that is Learn tab. On clicking on a Learn tab, here you can see the courses. Kaggle also provides some courses with not any cost, and you can earn certificates from here. There are some courses like Intro to Programming Python. These are free of cost courses. You can learn from there. And also the guides are available here. So you can do courses, just read guides, and I think that's all about the Kaggle. So thank you everyone.